Alright, welcome back to another episode of DevCore. We're out here in the woods today. We're just going to be exploring around, walking through.
Hello there! Hello there! Oh God, my cape is stuck! Oh! Oh! Oh my! Oh my lord! Oh! Oh my lord, that was treacherous! Oh! Oh, almost gave me a bloody heart attack! Oh! Isn't this majestic? Oh, oh my! Why do I keep falling? We're at the land of Taylor Creek. Just beyond those woods is Taylor Creek. And then beyond these woods is the fallen leaf. That's where we're going. Yes. The great dragon is that way. Ah!
Yeah, a little fact about it here. There's lots of bears and...
What? What?
There's bears.
Bears?
Yes.
Oh, okay, keep going. You keep going.
And there's raccoons.
What? What? What are you saying?
Look at this beautiful scenery out here. There's the creek, Taylor Creek right there. It's kind of low right now though, but...
Oh, flippin' hell, a mosquito got me out! Oh, it got me out! Ah! This will follow me! Ah! Oh! Nature is full of squirrels. I love to cook them and eat them. What in the flippin' hell was that? Oh, abundance of squirrels. I love to eat them. They're so delicious. Oh, shoot! There's pesky squirrels!
So nice and quiet out here.
I
I don't know if you guys can hear that sound.
I'm trying to catch the mayflies! Oh, George! To the barricade! Oh! It's too strong! Oh! Goodbye now! I'm going into the light. Hello, light.